Hi there. So, between working for the holidays here at QVC and let's face it, 2020. It doesn't seem like I'm going to be entertaining much this holiday season. So Thanksgiving's out, but Friendsgiving virtually is in. And since this is my home away from home, our studios here at QVC, I thought I would scrounge around, find some great Thanksgiving and harvest decor, and set it up as my background for my virtual Friendsgiving. All right, so let's take a look at all of the goodies that I literally just stole off of the sets. The dressers here, the set dressers are going to kill me. Ooh, okay. We have garland right off the bat. Look how beautiful that looks. Can you guess who this is from? Who is the queen of holiday decor here at QVC? Anyone? Anyone? Valerie Parr-Hill, but of course, look how gorgeous this garland is. It's so autumnal, one of my favorite words, P.S. It is posable, bendable. We're doing everything for our virtual backdrop on a sofa table, which I love to decorate on, but this would work just as well on a mantle, on a, I don't know, a cabinet top, a credenza, buffet, whatever it is that you're working with, you can make this work. So we're gonna just bend this to our will. This is what I love. This is why we leave it to the experts, right? I am no expert. Valerie is an expert. And when I'm all done with this, she's gonna make it look like I'm an expert. Okay, what else we got? Oh, well, look how glittery it is. Can you tell that I was literally like a cat burglar in the night, stealing everything right off of the sets because everything's already illuminated? So let's talk about illumination for a second. This is Luminara, and nobody does faux candles quite like they do. And this was so cool because it was a set of 3. So I have 3 sets of 3 here. And each candle comes in a different colorway. So we have 3 of different heights in the ruby red, we have 3 in this champagne color, and then we have 3 in this really pretty bronze as well. So one of the first things my mother ever taught me about decor and decorating is that it is all about levels, my friends. You gotta keep that eye moving at all times, and that's what they've done with giving us the set of 3 in all these different sizes. Ooh, what looks good to you guys? Does this look good right there? Perfect. I love this champagne one. We'll put that one right there. So we got our levels, we got our sparkle, but I think we could use a little bit more light, don't you? What else we got in here? All right, we have us some more Valerie. She kills the game when it comes to hurricanes. Look at this. Gorgeous, painted glass. Looks kind of like a mercury glass, I'm thinking, and then each one comes with these fairy lights. And I love it when she includes those because I literally use those year round. All right, one over there. Look how pretty this is. I love these leaves, the color of them, and they're trimmed in that little bit of gold right there because then it looks like they're leaves that are about to fall to the ground. And being a California girl, seeing the leaves fall is so exciting for me. All right, we have one more hurricane, but we're gonna, again, add those levels. So I found this box just sitting around. We're gonna use that just so I can elevate this hurricane a little bit higher because it's different design. Those pretty leaves and like those crisp yellows and mustards and reds. Again, it has those fairy lights on the inside, all lit up and ready to roll. So we're gonna place that up there. How does that look? I feel like we should move a couple of these candles. I want that one there and that one there. Better, right? Right, okay. So we do also have my doors here in the frame. So I found these Lauren McBride wreaths. I always thought of wreaths just for like Christmas holidays and the winter holidays, but look how pretty and great this is for my Friendsgiving because it has those corn husks, those natural elements, kind of looks mossy, and then the sticks. I don't know what else to call it. So we're gonna go ahead and hang these up as well on my 2 doors. I mean, if only this were really my house. If this were my entryway, I mean, I would just live in my entryway. Okay, got it? Looks good. Okay, I think we're just about ready to roll. So let's actually put this down because I do not want my friends on Friendsgiving to see this. I think we have a pretty good backdrop right here, right? Okay, I'm gonna go check it out on my computer. Let's see what it really looks like. Let's see how we did. Looks good, right? Okay, I love it. So Let's get a little cozy with a Berkshire blanket. That looks good if I do say so myself. Pour ourselves a little glass of wine. I may have stole this from the test kitchen. All right, Friendsgiving is ready to roll. Let's give everyone a call.